So, to check IMEI number on your POCO X7, we got several ways. The first one is by navigating into the settings. Here, choose About Phone tab and then scroll down and select Detail Info and Specs. After that, you'll see some information about your phone, such as Android version, OS version, RAM, and so on. You'll need to scroll down and select Status. After you selected it, scroll down a bit more and you will see IMEI number for the first SIM slot and for the second. To actually check them, just tap this section and here it is. You can also press and hold it and choose to copy, like that. And now it is copied to clipboard. Another way how you can check IMEI number is to take a look at the box in which your device came, and here you'll find IMEI 1 and IMEI 2. Also, you can compare those numbers, and if it matches, then it's a good sign that your device is original. And the last way how we can check this is by entering secret code. So open your phone app, here trigger your keypad and enter *#06#. And now you can see IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and even your serial number. So yep, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.